with the chemical reaction become the pyruvate. Okay, now then become pyruvate, it generates 2 ATP. I just remind you again, ATP is the energy unit. Looks like how many watts? Yeah, you say, hey, you know what's, oh, this is kilowatts hour. That's energy, you know, that's energy. Oh, how much horsepower, right? And this so we ATP is a energy molecule. Now you have 2 ATPs. This means you have 2 units of energy. So when glucose sulfur generates 2 ATPs, if it becomes lactate, then lactate is very acidic, right? And it's a waste, and then it will leave the cell. If it does not leave the cell, lactate will accumulate. Once it's accumulated, it's very toxic, so it needs to be out. And this is a cancer one. Cancer will go this way. Very simple and very fast. Okay. Now healthy cell goes this way. With oxygen, then from here, pyruvate will go to the mitochondria. Then a lot of chemical reaction here. But after this all chemical reactions, it will create 36 ATPs. So that's one of the things. Now you see, if go this way, one glucose with oxygen, it will generate 36 ATPs plus 2 ATPs here. The total is 38 ATPs. But if for cancer cell it goes this way, it only creates 2 ATPs. So what's the difference? It's a 38 compared to 2 ATPs. Because 38 is for normal cells, 36 plus 2, right? Compared to just the 2 ATPs from cancer cell. So it's a huge difference on the energy generation. So it will create a lot of difference. One example is, for example, if one healthy cell just need one glucose generate 38 ATPs to survive, then for the same reason, cancer cell needs 20 glucoses to generate 38 or 40 ATPs to survive, right? So this means cancer cell just want to survive. It needs 20 times more glucoses, more glucose than normal cell. Also, because it generates lactate, it's very acidic. So cancer person, if a person has cancer, his body is very, very acidic because of this. Now, you may ask why a cell go to the cancer route instead of a normal cell route. So what's the difference? What kind of thing, what kind of switch, any switch or traffic lights, like something happened? Yes, we do have a traffic light. Here is a PKM1. That's a molecular switch. This is for the normal cell. If it's a PKM1, this is normal cell. So the pyruvate will go this way. Okay, that's normal. It's good. It should be that way. But for some reason, if this molecular switch turn into PKM2, that's a cancer cell here. If that's the yellow lights on instead of the green lights, then this cell will become cancer cell. So once this become cancer cell, a lot of things, bad things will happen, right? So, if we know how to turn PKM2, this switch into PKM1, this is protein switch, then you can reverse a cancer cell to normal cell. So it sounds easy, right? Okay, for cancer cell, it does not need oxygen. So in this case, it will create another protein, another molecular switch called HIF, hypoxia-induced factor. Okay, now this protein will do a lot of more bad things to the cancer cell, make it grow faster, make it split 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16. It will grow extremely fast. Okay, now from this picture, we should already understand how to deal with the cancer. Okay, one thing we need to do is reduce the acid. Yeah, we already know the cancer person's body is very acidic. So we need to neutralize their acidic body, turn into alkaline, right? And if we need to cut off the energy to the cancer cell, let the cancer cell starve to death. And also we need oxygen. We need a lot of oxygen to the body, then we can reverse the cancer cell. Okay, here's the proof. This person has lung cancer and also spread out to the lymph node. Then let him drink a sugar water. This sugar is special sugar. You can take a picture on it called a radiation tag. If you don't know that, it doesn't matter. So let the patient drink the sugar water, then take the picture. You see all of the sugar will go to the cancer cell. And because it's spread to lymph node, so you can see it from lymph node. Now just highlight on the lymph node too. So this picture verified the previous slide, verified this. So this is true. And cancer cell really love glucose. So first you can, whatever you eat, the soft drink, noodle, rice, and you just feed the cancer cell. One day I visit a doctor, I visit a hospital, and say, hey, ask the doctor, what do you feed a cancer patient? Oh, rice, noodle, that's their favorite food. I said, do you know you just feed the cancer cell? You try to use chemo to kill the cancer cell. After the chemo, you just feed the cancer patient some glucose and sugar, starches. So you just beat the cancer cell up, then just massage the cancer cell. That's saying it should be consistent. It doesn't make sense. And here another molecular switch. When HIF happens, it can create very bad thing. It will promote angiogenesis, glucose metabolism, cell proliferation. But all of bad things happen need free radicals. So free radical is a switch of HIF. So if we remove the free radicals, we can stop this process too. So HIF, this protein can promote 40 targeted genes. Also, it's dependent on free radical. This is research work done Johns Hopkins University. Okay, this is the report from Johns Hopkins University that discovered that vitamin C can reverse the cancer cell. They explained it at molecular level, at the DNA level. So this is a professor in Johns Hopkins University, his university, and his lab, and just studied the cancer. And he said, what he discovered will change cancer treatment industry completely. So this is say antioxidants may block molecular messages used by cancer. It's published by Johns Hopkins University. I think this is Johns Hopkins University. Another way we need to deal with the cancer. If we trigger cancer cells die itself, let the cancer suicide, it's called apoptosis, called the cancer cell programmed death. Apoptosis is programmed cell death. The lifespan of a cell have genetic limitation. The apoptotic process is executed in such a way as to safely dispose all cell corpus and fragments and not trigger information. This is very important. Not trigger information. What that means? If a cancer cell dies, you don't feel any different. You even don't feel any fever. You just disappeared. The cancer cell disappeared from body. If we can trigger apoptosis. So And a lot of time, we use nutrition. The cancer patient take a nutrition. That's just the cancer cell just silently disappeared. Okay, this is apoptosis discovered by these 3 professors. They shared a Nobel Prize of Medicine in 2002. So this is new. If we can trigger cell cancer cell apoptosis, that's a cancer therapy. This is a book review, right? People already read the book about this in year 2004. So what in year 2005. So what we are talking about today, scientists already know that a few years ago. Another interesting longevity gene. There is a gene in our body called SIRT1. Scientists put that gene inside the cancer tissue, and then sometime later, with the longevity gene, the cancer cell disappeared. Here you still see the cancer cell. So hey, and people live longer. If you are capable to live longer, you don't have cancer. Okay, here's the research paper we mentioned. Joined the research paper by 3 professors from Harvard Medical School and UPenn. I said, to this end, the potential role of dietary supplements and tight glucose control as adjuncts to cancer treatment is an active field of investigation. My friend, this is very significant statement. This is the only paper from such prominent scientists first time ever mentioned dietary supplements and glucose control. That's the way to treat cancer combined with other methods, say adjuncts to cancer treatment. It's whatever we talk tonight, it's on the way to the mainstream. Okay, now here's my recommendation for the cancer patient. The nutrients to fight cancer, because here's the reason, here's the approach. Okay, the target, the cancer cell hunger on glucose. They need 20 times more glucose than normal cell just for survival. But most of the cancer cells just spread out, very aggressive. That means cancer cell can need 100 times or 200 times more glucose than normal cell. What do we do? One thing you can do the fasting, stop eating starch, noodles. Also, there is protein like glutamine. So don't eat cheese. Don't eat cheese, yogurt, milk, fish. So for cancer patient should not eat anything starchy like rice, noodle, potato. So don't restrict meat too. The meat has a glutamine and tyrosine. So this two very bad for cancer too. So but you need eat more vegetables. In the active, in the cancer treatment period, you have to stop eating glucose, rice, noodles. But after treatment, you can eat normally. Also, we noticed the acidic environment for cancer cell, right? So we needed to eat alkaline food like a complete green and a calcium. And also we know HIF, hypoxia-induced factor, depends on free radicals. That's a switch, right? And then we use antioxidant like OPC3 and ORAC. HIF suppressed by oxygen, so we need to